Guangzhou Botech Testing Instrument Co., Ltd., founded in 2013, has grown into a globally leading manufacturer and solution provider of non-destructive testing NDT equipment, leveraging exceptional R&D capabilities and profound industry expertise. We specialize in developing and manufacturing a comprehensive range of high-end NDT equipment, including ultrasonic Flaw detectors, eddy current Flaw detectors, industrial endoscopes, surface roughness testers, coating thickness gauges, ultrasonic thickness gauges, and hardness testers. Our solutions serve critical sectors such as aerospace, new energy, defense, and special equipment, delivering high-precision NDT solutions worldwide. As a national high-tech enterprise, we operate a 3,000 square meter modern production base and assemble a top-tier expert team. With over a decade of dedicated NDT technology development, we have mastered core technologies in ultrasonic, magnetic particle, and eddy current testing, holding multiple software technology patents. Currently, the number of BRK global users has surpassed 200,000. Become a partner of renowned enterprises and schools such as Huawei, Xiaomi, Tesla, and more. Moving forward, Botech will continue to drive innovation and sustainable development in NDT technology, safeguarding global industrial safety. We provide customized NDT solutions to clients worldwide, supporting industrial upgrading and safety advancement.